Here comes the house, and look at the trees. It's very beautiful. And here's the neighborhood, surrounding area. Go inside. Coming inside, you can see the high ceiling, and the stairs are very beautiful. We got the living room, fireplace, and we got the dining area. Coming inside, we got the family room, and we got the kitchen. Very nice cabinets. We can also see the backyard. We got a patio, and we got outside cooking. We got the patio, we got the outside cooking, the hood, the oven. Inside, there's one bedroom downstairs. We got 5 bedrooms in total for this house. The first bedroom downstairs with a sink, toilet, and shower. Okay, and here comes the laundry room, and we got the garage. It's a 3-car garage. Very spacious. Okay, going upstairs. Here comes the hallway and the first smaller bedroom upstairs. Shared bathroom upstairs, toilet, shower, and it's a Jack and Jill, so you can go to the second smaller bedroom here, and here we got the third. Okay, coming this side, we got a master. The master bedroom is huge with great natural light. You can see the view. It's very spacious. And we got the master bedroom, double sinks, toilet, tub, and shower.